Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I am happy.
Great. Okay, today we have a speaking test about farm animals. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, very good. Look at the picture, please. What's your name?
my name is Alice.
How old are you?
I'm 6.
Very good. What color do you like?
I like yellow.
What animals do you like?
Duck.
Very good. You like ducks. Awesome. Look at the pictures and answer. What animals did you point and say what are wrong?
Is the rooster? Is the rabbit? Is the dog?
Duck.
Duck. Is the dog? Is the egg?
Very good. It's an egg. This is a picture of a farm. What animal do you see in the farm? I see
a cat. Kid.
This is a hen.
Hen. Sheep. Goat. Cows.
And
Horse.
horse. Very good. Okay. What animal do you see in the picture? One more time. Just say, I see a cat, a pig, a hen, a sheep, a goat, a cow, and a horse. Now look at the picture and show me the goat. A pig, a hen, a cow, a sheep. Where's the horse? Very good. Okay. Is this a cow?
Yes.
Okay. Is this a hen? Is this a hen?
No.
Okay. Is this a goat?
No.
Is this a pig? You say?
Yes.
I'll say.
A is for apple. A is for ant. C is for cat. C is for cat. G is for grapes. G is for gold. K is for kite. K is for kid. N is for man. N is for moon.
M.
M. H is for sun. S is for sheep. T is for toy. T is for turtle.
Okay, now you listen and choose the correct picture.
V is for van. W is for whale. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo.